Hey guys, and welcome back to another channel. Welcome to my S.N.S.M.R video. Hi guys, and welcome back to another channel. And I also have my microphone with me right here, so I'm excited about that. So I'm about to do an S.N.S.M.R video. Okay, so anywho, I'm right here cooking my look at me, I sound so professional. I'm cooking my motherfucking cream, and we're about to get busy. Ooh, somebody sent me a dick pic. What I'm gonna do with that? You already know what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and do a little sample. Do a little sample. Try that one more time. Okay, let's fix up the plate. Okay, guys. So I am back to try out the leftovers that I had over yesterday. It's pretty good. This time it tastes a little bit better than it was yesterday. So just work me, relax. Relax. I'm going to try it. See how this works. It's pretty good too as well. My mouth is doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. Yes, it's doing pretty good. So I'm going to try out some of the bread. Okay. The bread is good. So the bread is very divine. Try it out. You want some? Try the bread. The bread is pretty good. It's really soft. Okay. Yeah. Hard to bite into, but it's pretty good. Okay. You can try it right now. Okay. I'm gonna try some water right now to kind of cleanse my thirst at this very moment. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The cream is pretty good. Excuse me, I got a cough. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is pretty good. I'm really enjoying this. Very pretty good. I'm probably eating this for a while now. Today was a good day. I went to the spa and pretty much hanged out. And yeah, I'm loving my new microphone that I got, whatever. So go to sleep, relax. Yes, what? I'm just gonna pretty much, I can smell my breath, but you know, hey. Relax. Relax. Just relax, okay? I'm going to turn the light down just so you Relax, relax. Relax, relax. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Sade. Thank you, Teresa. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Quanda. Thank you, LaQuisha. Thank you, Kim. Yes, just pretty much really spending time with myself when I'm eating and really just getting to know the things that I'm into. Just like to chop my food up pretty good, you know. The pasta did come out pretty good. It has a really nice. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. I need to get some water, okay? So give me a minute, get some water. I can hear my heartbeat. Okay, everything is fine. Okay. We're still enjoying this pasta of mine that I really enjoy eating, but my throat is itching. I don't know why. So I'm gonna take a bite of this bread or whatever right now. Oh my god, this is so good. I can taste the flavor and the sensation into this. The ranch does give it flavor. The ranch does give it a whole lot of flavors, which is pretty good. You know, pretty nice. I do like it better now because I did add more seasoning to it. Okay. So just relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax your mind. Relax your mind, relax your mind. Relax your mind. Relax your mind, relax, relax, relax. Okay, just relax, okay. So what I was saying that, yeah, tomorrow is Sunday, so I'll pretty much be eating this by tomorrow too as well, okay? Because we don't waste no fucking food around in this bitch. One thing about it, food for certain, I love to do what I do. I'm gonna get some water, okay? Yeah, I need some water. That was pretty good. So, I've been watching a couple of TV shows that I've been pretty much into. There's a lot of stuff coming up on TV that I'm excited about. So I'll probably go watch All Hell Queen's Men. I'll go watch that and just chill and see what happens, whatever. I'm still chopping on this bread that I have not swallowed yet. My mouth is doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. Yeah, I had some sea salt in my mouth, and I gargled it up, and then I took some mouthwash and I, gargle up so that way my mouth can kind of, be better. It does not hurt as it was in the beginning. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. I've been seeing all you guys' messages in my comments. I've been watching the comments, so thank y'all so much. I've been paying attention to that as well. So, yeah, this is pretty good. I don't know how long I'll continue you. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you for the lion. Thank you. 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 Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, King. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. I think we're coming to an end for S.N.S.M.R video. So thank you guys for joining. I really do appreciate it. See you guys on the next video. And always remember, welcome back to another channel. Good night. I'm out this bitch.
Thank you for your service.